Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, I'm going to tell you how to set up the Blood Strike gaming settings that you've been waiting for. You must watch this video completely and play like a pro. There is another reminder. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, then subscribe now. If you haven't watched my first video, I've put a link in the description below. Watch that video. Set up the settings exactly as they are here. Play like a real pro. There is another reminder. If you want to buy Blood Strike accounts, you can join our WhatsApp group. There you can buy your account reliably. There is another thing. Keep watching the videos on our YouTube channel, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon.
With